What's up, my YT homies? This is Salifia, and I'm coming in with another video. And yep, I know I said it last month. I said that I was canceling Boxycharm, and hold on, I am still going to cancel them. I just forgot to cancel them before the October box came out. So yes, I do have the October Boxycharm box, and y'all, my hands feel so bad. I don't have my hand jewelry on. I have my rings, and I'm gonna tell you why. I left them downstairs last night, and I don't feel like going back downstairs until it's time for me to leave out of here to go to work. So yeah, no hand jewelry. That hurt. I nipped my finger somewhere on something the other day, and I keep doing this, and it hurts. But anyway, that beside the point, let me show you what is in this box. This is the October box, and my box looks so different. Well, not so different, but yeah, so different. It looks different from what my mom and my aunt got in their box, except for a few things. And I'll show you what is not different, but here is the box when I open it up. And this month is, what is this one called? After Dark. So this one is called After Dark, and I'm not sure how much this value is. They also have a contest on here for Facetune, and I'm not even gonna delve into that because I'm not promoting Boxycharm. That's not what I'm here for. No, I'm just joking, but I do have a link in my description box, so until I do cancel it, until I do actually cancel it, you all can use my link to help me get points on the Boxycharm box. And y'all, excuse me, y'all already know, you know the deal with my voice, you know the deal with this nasally stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna move past that. So they're introducing some new boxes, some new type of way they're doing it in November, and I'm not going to go into detail about that because I do have to get out of here. I have to go to work. But anyway, so the first thing I am going to put out is, and I cannot wait to try this. Let me shake this up because it's like it's settled, but it is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. It's like a skin prep, I guess, after your makeup or before your makeup. My mom and my aunt did get this in their box as well, and this was actually the item that I chose when they send out letting you know. So the little elements in here will settle at the bottom, but isn't that pretty? So I'm going to put this on my stand. So the next thing is this Dose of Colors palette. Now I have the, which one is this? They had 5 different palettes that they were giving from Dose of Colors this month, not giving, that were featured in the box. And my mom got one that looks like it had like burgundy colors in there, and she wouldn't switch with me. What color is this one? Oh, duh, the color's right there. It is called Sassy Siennas, and this is an all matte palette. And there's a little brush in there, and there are all the colors. And these are colors that I really like. I like these colors winter, spring, summer, fall. It does not matter. So this is definitely going to be a fall palette. Well, not, it would be a fall palette for someone else. For me, I would blend this in at any point, any time of the year. But yeah, it's definitely going to be a fall palette for me now because it is fall. The next thing I got, and my mom did not get, no, she did get this, and it's the Tinted Brow Gel. And this is by Mellow, whoever that is. I've never heard of Mellow, so it's the Tinted Brow Gel. And this item, now my mom did not get this, or nor my aunt. And Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. So here's the Mascara Duo, and I hate to open it because I already have a couple open, but no fret, it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and open it anyway. And it is called Clout. Slick With It Mascara Duo Clout. I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like because it's a duo. So we're going to see what each side looks like with this. So while I'm opening this up, let me chit chat with you guys a little bit. So I am going to be coming in real soon with another lock video. I am going to shampoo my hair because I haven't shampooed my hair since I got my hair retied. But I have to shampoo it. I'm going to probably shampoo it tonight or either in the morning, so I'll definitely be back in with that. But, okay, here's the regular end. I guess it looks like a regular end. I like the regular wand. And this side, what is this side? Oh, that's a little bitty skinny end. So that's probably, not probably, but I would use that for my bottom lashes. I rarely ever put any mascara on my bottom lashes, but I'm going to use it. And the last thing I got in my box, and my mom did not get this, and it is a black kohl eyeliner, and this is by Hollywood and Vine. And this one they actually could have kept because I have a new liner and I'm not a big eyeliner fan to my waterline. However, I have it. I'm going to use it. My mom and my aunt got like this really dark burgundy lippy, and I thought it was so pretty. So that's what they got in their box, and that was different from me in my box. And there was one other thing that was different from my box with the mascara, because they didn't get the mascara and I forgot what they got. So anyway, that is it. I'm going to woosah these. You know what? I'm going to go to my doctor and I'm going to tell her, look here, chick, 2 pills a day is fine. 2 pills a day is fine. I understand that. But I'm going to need you to give me a shot or something, because this is getting ridiculous. No, it's not getting ridiculous. It's been ridiculous and I'm tired of it. And I need some medication because I can't deal. I can't live. I can't do my life like this. That's what I'm going to tell her. Okay, I'm not going to tell her that. But anyway, she needs to do something because I'm sick of it. Well, anyway, today's Friday. Friday the 18th. Duh, like it really matters. Anyway, today's Friday, and I do appreciate you all for coming to check out another one of my videos. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I really do appreciate you all. And until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? I'll see you in the next video. And catch you on the flip side.